Chinese scallion pancakes. Those are the ingredients. 500 grams all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon salt, 160 gram boiling hot water, 170 gram room temperature water. Let's get started. Put the salt in the flour, mix well, and divide it into half. Put the boiling water first on the left side half. Use chopsticks to mix well. And on the other half, put a cold water. Once it's all like this, just use the hands to knead the dough. This is a very soft dough. The surface doesn't need to be very smooth. Just cover with a damp cloth for half an hour. And meanwhile, the dough is resting. We can prepare some of the scallion. Cut it into small pieces. After 30 minutes, the dough becomes very soft. Kneading the dough for about 2 minutes. It becomes more smoother and let continue rest. Now the dough rests for another hour. It's even more softer. Put some flour on the surface. Don't knead the dough, just cut it. And make it into a round shape. Now rolling the dough. Okay, until about 2 millimeters thick, it's ready. And brush some of the oil. Sprinkle some salt. And some green onion. And roll it up. dough is ready, just leave it aside to rest. After rest for 20 minutes, it's soft again. Just roll it into a round shape. Not push too hard. Just to push forward. Each time turn and push forward. Okay, once it's 2 to 3 milliliter, turn on the heat to medium. Brush some oil on the pot. Put the dough inside the pot and cover with the lid. Also brush some oil on the top too. Cover it again. After minutes, just turn to the other side. And cook the other side for another minute too. Once see the bubble come up, and just turn and turn to the other side again. It turn like 2 to 3 times. Once both sides become brown, and it takes about 5 minutes, it's done. Very crispy outside. Let's cut to see the inside. Very soft inside. Look at the layers inside. And the green onion. Okay, good.